Complete replatforming is the only way to benefit from composable architecture.
Absolutely not.
Definitely not is the most risky one.
Yes, it's the most risky one, and it's also the one that will be the most difficult when it comes to return on investment calculations.
You have to abandon all legacy systems for the composable stack to work.
Well, each project is different, and in most cases, you don't have to do this. The new stack works through APIs. So as soon as you will decouple your backend from the frontend, it is already connected to the APIs. Then basically you can benefit from all the other APIs and composable vendors that will just plug into your frontend.
Yeah, and I mean I totally agree with that, and this is something that is also related to the replatforming that we just talked about. You can do step by step process, right? And abandoning all of your legacy just because you want to go composable simply doesn't make sense financially. Again, like it's money talks, and you need to present the business case to your board and get approvals, and it's just gonna be very difficult because yeah, in general it doesn't make sense.
Going composable requires advanced on-site engineering team.
Definitely it does. Like composable is hard. It is great. It can give you an amazing value, but it is definitely not something simple. You need domain experts. You need people who did that many times already to advise you properly and to implement this properly.
Yeah, and when we talk about having an in-house team, you definitely need to have someone that can lead the project, right? Like a true owner. But it doesn't mean that you need to hire all the development team and all the engineering team in-house. You can also pick from one of the solution integrators that did that many times on different scale for different customers, so they have the experience that is going to help you avoid a lot of mistakes, and those mistakes can be very expensive where doing composable implementations. So in general you need very skilled team, but it doesn't mean all of them have to be in-house. You can work with SIs, and that's what we always recommend.
You have to custom build your composable front end.
Okay. So going composable does require an in-house team, but it doesn't have to be the full development team. What you need is a leader, a person that is an owner of that project, and then you can get engineering team from one of the solution integrators that implemented this many times and have a lot of experience with that.